The informal you in French is tu, tu, tu. You, tu, you, tu. You speak with the informal you. Tu parles, tu parles. Notice the S ending, which is not pronounced. Tu parles. You speak, tu parles. You speak, tu parles. You speak, tu parles. Do you speak? Remember to ask a question. You put the conjugated verb first and then the subject pronoun. And we place a hyphen in between the two. So the question is parles-tu? Parles-tu? Do you speak? Parles-tu? Do you speak? Parles-tu? Remember, you would only ask this question to somebody that you know well, a friend or a family member. In other words, you only use the tu with people that you know well. Otherwise, you use vous. Do you speak? Parles-tu? Parles-tu? French, français, French, français. English, anglais, English, anglais. Italian, italien, Italian, italien. German, allemand, German, allemand. Spanish, espagnol, Spanish, espagnol. Portuguese, portugais, Portuguese, portugais. So let's review what you can do with what you just learned. You can make a statement saying you speak French, tu parles français. You speak English, tu parles anglais. You speak German, tu parles allemand. You speak Spanish, tu parles espagnol. You speak Portuguese, tu parles portugais. You can ask the question, do you speak French? Parles-tu français? Do you speak English? Parles-tu anglais? Do you speak German? Parles-tu allemand? Do you speak Spanish? Parles-tu espagnol? Do you speak Portuguese? Parles-tu portugais? To continue on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen.